This is lecture 30. Let us continue to work on the search engine, on the multicasting framework. Last time we finished, I think I finished all the code. So let us try to deploy the projects and run this code. Let us take a look whether such a system can run, can be executed successful or not. Okay, let us begin. Okay, we have do the similar task before. Okay, this time we need to copy all the source code here. Now, although only one portion of the code in this project I used, but for me, usually I copy all of the code. Okay, make a package, deploy it to the server. The server IP should be changed. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, now the code is sent to the server. Okay, enter the directory. You can see some projects we created are listed here. So let us make a directory. Okay, this is the name. Okay, next, what should I do? And we need to copy some of the code because we have some project, right? So first, let us we create some project. The search root. This is the end project. So before we create search the end project, we need to have create some directory, and then searcher, crawler. Okay, registry. We can copy registry, no problem. Okay, what else? Okay, in this now this is empty directory. We need to copy one end project from other project. Then we need to update the code, and sometimes maybe the directory, if directory is different, the library maybe need to be updated as well if is a new version is available. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, this is a end project, the structure. All the directories and the build files are put here, but now we need to update the source code. Okay, this is the source code. Let us check the library. Maybe the library is not the latest version. I use a new version, so maybe this version is 8, right? 1.2.8, but now the latest version is 9, 1.2.9. So maybe I think we must get some compiling error. Okay, I just add this method, this method read text to the new version. So this text, you can see this text is not available. So I need to copy the latest code, latest library. That because this word is different. Okay. Sorry. This is the latest version of our development environment. Okay, now enter the directory, remove this one, and copy a new one. Okay, let us compare it again. Great. Next, the root. No, not root. That's the child. So to do that, we can copy the package, the end project from the root. That's almost the same. That should be same. So we do not need to compare again. But the build file should be updated. The build file. But this time is a multicast. Multicast is a framework, and then we create a search engine. This is the child. The name should be search child. This should be the name, right? Okay, the root is not changed. The build file for node also need to be changed. Multicast and search. Search. This should be root. Start search root. Okay. What about this? Let me check this again. The build file. Okay, should be correct. Next. The searcher as actually the client. So enter this directory. Okay. Update the view. It's a client. Star searcher. Okay, crawler. Then start crawler. Okay, next. Now I think all the code we program is put here. We still need to have a registry. I'm not sure whether you remember it or not. Each system need to have a registry. We can copy registry from the, let me see whether there is registry here. Here is the registry. We can copy this registry. Okay, registry is available. Admin is also important. Admin. Okay, I'm not sure whether this admin is what we want. Okay, let me check whether we can reuse this one or not. Let me run it. Oh, yeah, this one we can use this one, no problem. You can use this one. Okay, wait, I want to copy it. Okay. So all the code are here. All the code are located here. Now we need to start the registry server first. Okay, start registry first. Okay, no problem, no problem. Next, we need to start one child. We must have in theory, because we already established the multicasting framework, we can any numbers of children can enter such a system. But for this case, because we still try to testing this system, we're in the step testing the system, so it's not necessary for us to start a lot of client, and so maybe we can start 2 or 3 and run it if it's and to test it if it's correct or not, if any problem exists or not. Let us try. Okay. Oh, the client is one child is started correctly. If we have 2 children or 2 or 4, 3 children, a small number of children, and can work properly, then we can start more. We can let more children enter such a system. Okay. Great. And now 2 children are available in such a system. Maybe we can start another one. Okay, start it. It's the third one. Okay, now we can start. We have still 6 terminals. Oh, the total number of terminals in this now open is 7, but 1 is used for deploy the code. So it has still two terminals left. I want this terminal work as a root. Okay. Okay, the multicasting hierarchical structure is constructed. You can see all the children receive the message from the root. Okay, until now we haven't got any errors, although the system is complete, right? Okay, let me check. I want to start the crawler this time, but the crawler, I need to check where we should put this file, the text file, text example, because this crawler we need to load the data. We'll load the data from the file. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll load the data from the file from the text file. I need to get the text file. I'm sorry. Where is it? I'm sorry. It's here, right? We need to deploy this file to this directory. Home / lbing tab. Okay, we need to put it there. Okay, that is the directory we want to put. What's wrong? The network is not good. I'm still in trouble, so sometimes the network is not stable. It should be fine, right? Why is so slow? What's wrong? Oh, sorry. The IP address is wrong. Okay. Now I want to start the crawler. Crawler. This is not a real crawler. It's just a perform simulation. So the data will be loaded from the text file line by line, and all the information in the text file will be transmitted to the directory. To the children in the multicast framework. Oh. What's wrong? Clan crawler. Okay. The package name is not correct. Okay, that's a name. Okay, let us try again. Wow, what's going on? Oh, something is not initialized. Okay. The crawler, I think, should be initialized. And then we need to okay. This is automatic compiling. So just wait. Dispose. Let me check. Yeah, it's not initialized. We should run this one first. Okay, so we have to deploy the code again. We forget initialize. Let me check another client whether we missed something or not. We have two clients. The one is searcher, another is a crawler. What about this one? Okay, I think this one is also need to be initialized first. Okay, we missed something here. Okay. Okay, this time we have two. We have to deploy the code for the two clients. One is searcher, another is crawler. Okay, no problem. Next, let us update the code. Okay. Okay, I think the searcher should be updated well. Okay, let us run the crawler again. Okay, I'm not sure if I saved something or not. Some updates on the children. Okay, some crawl data is received by the children. It's not good. It's better for us to show the information, right? You can say this is the data that be deployed on each children. And each time, I think because unicasting is used in such a system, right? Unicasting. So each time only one child receives such a notification, right? It's good. I think it's better to show the information received the data, right? Not only the message received, but the data. That crawled data is not displayed and it's not good. So let us make a little bit change here. Okay. Okay. The text field is large. The text field is large, so it takes some time to run such a system. And each time, for each unicasting, some data you can see. Let us take this is the root. This is the root. The root is responsible for performing the multicasting. This multicasting is unicasting. However, the data is crawled from this client, this crawler. Okay, the overall architecture is good. It works. Although we got some problems, this bug is easy to be fixed, right? I just missed the initialize and dispose. Oh, it's not a big deal, right? It's very easy to be fixed to fix this such a problem. Okay, I want to change a little bit. So let us go here. The system is interesting, right? I'm not sure whether you agree with me or not. I think it's interesting. Okay. Okay, let us show the message here. So this system looks, you can understand this system better if you can see how data is deployed on those children. Okay, protest. Okay, great. Many codes, many texts are sent to those server, those children. Okay, you can see that the time is always updated if data is received. Right? Okay, but no, if because data, the message or the crowd data is not displayed, it looks not good. So let us try again. Okay, we close this. It's not a good way to close the client, right? Because I use Control C. Let us try whether this one works or not. The main, this is the main. Let us try admin, whether admin works or not. Whether we can stop those children. Okay. Okay, children stopped correctly. Okay, that's great. Some exception display here. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I think, yeah. Oh, okay, I remember. You remember last time when I tried to close the children. When I try to close the children, I remove one code. You can see the server status code is removed. But this code is useful. It's not good design because I'm still working on this project. So sometimes maybe it's not complete, perfect. It's not perfect. I think this time the exception is display. I don't like that because this line is removed because the internal system will check whether the system is shut down by the administrator. If so, no exception is needed to be displayed. If the system is shut down by some fault of the system, then the exception should be displayed. However, for this time, we shut down such a system, so it's not necessary for the exception to be displayed. So maybe for some users. So for users who are not familiar with this internal system, this code looks weird, so I just remove it. Okay, but it's useful. Maybe in the near future, it's better to hide, because to let this code invisible, make this code invisible to users is better. Okay, but this time we just put it here, so this code can be, those exceptions will not be displayed. Okay, let us take a look at this, whether the root can be shut down or not. Okay, I also got some exception. I don't like that. So this code should be added to the root as well. Open this one, shut down. Okay, it's not, the code looks not so clean, right? Because of that. Okay, no, not here. We shut down the root. This is the message, shutdown message broadcast to, okay, broadcast to children. So yeah, you can see here. This line is useful. Okay, next time I want to try to hide this code. Okay, and okay, try again. We almost finished this project successfully. Just some trivial problem exists. It prove the advantage of grid free again, right? It's very easy to program even though the system is complete. Search engine is complete, but we can construct the search engine using multicasting framework easily. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, let us update so the treater can be reused. We just need to update the crawler. We don't need to update crawler. Okay, let us start again. Okay, some code need to be compiled. Okay, there's the first children, the second. Maybe this time we can start more children. Okay, we start another one. This is the fourth one. So child. Another one. There's the fourth one. Put it here. Here. It's fine. Registration. We see a lot of time for registration. So registry service, we do not need to monitor such terminal. So we just want to focus on the four. Focus on the 4 children. This is the 5th children. Oh, sorry. This is 61. The scale of this term is enlarged. Based on multicasting framework, it's easy to enlarge the scale of this term, right? Okay, the 6th one. Okay, the size of screen is small, so 6th one is I think it's good enough. Okay. Do we need to upgrade? Okay. Okay, the root is started. This is the root. Oh my god. This is the root. This is the we want to take a look at the updates on the children in the framework. Okay. Okay. 6 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got 6 children. Okay, start the crawler. Okay, data is displayed here, right? Data is displayed. Oh, still, this one is, you cannot see this one? Okay. So you can understand the unicast through this way, right? Data is crawled from here and upload and send to the root first. This is the root. This is the root. You can see this is the root. The only small size of the root is displayed. And this is the 6. This is the 6 children. This one, this one, this one, the other 3, right? You can see data is displayed. The data is persistent or saved on each children through unicasting. Children are selected randomly. Okay, let us open another terminal. This terminal, this is not children, it's a searcher. Searcher. It's another clan. Okay, run this one. Okay, got problems. Build file should be updated. Yeah. Yes. Search. Right? No. Searcher. Okay, let us try whether we can retrieve some information from those clans or not. I need to tell you that this query is broadcasted to all the children in the multicasting framework by the root from this clan, right? So let us try. If the multicast, then some information will be the responses is a list of responses, right? It's a list of responses from all the children. Okay, let us try this one. Julia. It's a programming language. Oh, it doesn't work, right? No any responses? Okay, maybe this system has something wrong with it. No, let me try. Check the code. What's wrong with it? Close all the code here. Search and the query. Okay. Yeah, we got something wrong here. We still need to we need to continue search, right? So this loop, we miss this line here. Okay, we need to check, maybe something wrong with here. Oh, no response is often. Let me check why there's something wrong. We need to check whether such message is sent to the server or not. It seems that the request is not sent to the root. Close the client. And then what else we need to do? Close this crawler. And then let us test it again. Okay. Stop all the children. Okay, for this time, you can say no exceptions are displayed, right? No any exceptions are displayed because those exceptions not necessary because this system is closed by administrator. Close the root. Root is closed. Next, the registry server is here. We also need to close registry server. Okay, it's correct. Everything correct. Okay, let us run such a system again. Okay, and the client, the searcher client, the client as searcher got problems. Let me fix the problem. Okay. It has same to this message is same not. It seems that this message is not sent to the root successfully. Okay, let me try. Let me check why the root process such a message or not. If you got problems when you program a system using grid-free, you can fix the problem in the same way, in a similar way. I think you can try. Okay, I think maybe this message is not received by the root. Okay. Client search query is here. Okay, whether it processed or not. Oh, I see it. I see it. You can see here, right? This is search query response, but response. This one, oh, the message. You can see this message is not processed here. It must be received, but it's not processed. You can see here, we make mistake here, right? It's not processed correctly, right? That's the problem. This is also the trivial problem. It's a mistake each developer might make such a mistake because it's we are human being. Each human being always make mistake. We just want to. I hope this mistake is trivial. It's not a defect. It's not an issue. It's a bug. It's impossible for us to fix. But this problem is easy to be fixed, right? So let me check again. It should be fine, right? It should be fine. Okay, let us check the children code, whether the relevant message are processed or not. Child. Okay, that's fine. This is broadcast message. However, this is not broadcast. It's just a typical client server based message, right? This is a server message, right? But this one different. So just now, this message is a multicast. So I made a mistake here. Okay, let us. The root side has problem. The client side for searcher also have problem, but we already. Oh, this side, the client side is the problem is yeah, we need to put this line within this loop. So both sides has some problems. The client side for searcher and the root side has some problems. Okay. Deploy the code again. Okay, now what should we do? This is the root. Okay, then what else? This is a searcher. So for this time, we can, okay, for this time, we need to, okay, run registry server first, and then the client, the root, I'm sorry. The root. Oh, not the children, sorry. Children. We got 6 children. Okay, this is this one put here. Another children, the 4th one. Still children. Okay, this one is all still children. Okay, now we can start the root. The root. The root is already added, I think. Yeah. Okay. Now what else? The crawler, right? Okay, we can put the crawler here. Because I want to test the searcher, so we put crawler here. Crawler is static. Crawler looks was perfect. So we do not need to care about the crawler anymore. So just let the crawler run for some time, so data will be put on the multicasting framework. Okay, searcher. We can run searcher for this time. Again, okay. Okay, let us retrieve something. Maybe VTE. Oh, we got something, right? Oh, the data is not retrieved. At least we got a response for this time, but the no value is retrieved. That's not correct. That's not correct because VTE let me try to say okay. Why the information is not retrieved? ATE should be exist, right? should exist. Okay, maybe we try another one. Wait here again. No response. We got another 6 month response again. Oh, the index is not good. Why information not retrieved? It's another trivial issue, I think. Yeah, because when we make comparison, we build a hash map on each children. Maybe we got something wrong when we retrieve information from the hash map. It's not difficult issue, right? Okay, let us try this one. Okay. Because when we retrieve data, the database is not a real one. So we have to type the query. If, for example, the query is long, right? The message is long. For each time, we just query. This is the value. We need to, if we want to retrieve such a data, we need to type all the lines. So because our database is trivial, usually we need to construct a inverted index to retrieve the data. So one keyword can be retrieved. But for this time, it's not easy for us to type the query. We need to type entire message to perform retrieval. Okay, let me try again. If this one can be retrieved or not. Nope. Oh, what's wrong? Let me check again. What's our problem? What's the problem? But I think this, at least the overall structure, the distributed framework is established, right? It should, no problem for that, right? So let me check what's wrong with the data. Why data cannot be retrieved? Okay, let me just check how this message is saved. Oh, that's the problem. That's not. We should generate K based on the text, not the K. Each message has its own K, but that K is sixth level K. So that's our problem. We need to generate K based on our text. So that's a problem. It's another trivial issue. Okay, let me check how to retrieve data. Okay, query. Okay, this time I think the system can run successfully. Okay, let us stop the system. The scale of system is large. Now it's easy for us to use the demonstrators to stop the entire system. Otherwise, you have to control. You can press Control C many times. It's not good. Okay. Now the entire system is closed. The child still has some problem. We just fix the problem. Let us. Okay. No, I remember there's still problem on the client side. When the response is displayed, I want to reassign the value. So the index got a problem. So the client side for searcher and the root and the children code should be updated. Okay. Okay, this one we use it as a searcher. Okay. Next, this is site for children. Children need to update it as well. Okay. So now we need to start registry. Okay, start those children. Children got updated. Okay. Run it again. This is the second one. Third one. The fourth one. Okay, we still there's another one here. The fifth one. The sixth one. We got 6 children in the multicasting framework. Then okay, the root is here. Root is here, right? I put it down because I want to see the terminals of children. Okay, this is a crawler. Crawler? Let us run the crawler. Okay. Searcher. I do not remember it updated or not. We do it again to ensure it is updated. Okay. Crawler start work. Okay, we need to enter a query. Let me say which query we can enter. Maybe this one? Copy it. Oh, we got successful, right? We got a response. Okay, let us try some other ones. Okay. Client, oh, not client side. The entire line should be typed as a query. It's long, right? Okay, let us try again. Good. Okay, what about this one? Great. Okay, I think this system is this is a successful demo. It take us 4 hours, about 4 hours to program this system and testing this system. But I think it's easy. Yeah, it's convenient to program with grid-free, even for such complex system. This is a multicasting based search engine. I think if you use traditional system, if you use mainstream programming language, it's impossible for you to complete this system in short time. Maybe if you use maybe you use Solar-like system. This is a distributed framework. If you use such a framework to construct a search engine, it must be fast. It must be fast, but I think it's not flexible enough, right? For our system, you can construct the overall architecture actually based on your opinion. You can define the architecture topology. You can deploy the data anywhere you like. If you are proficient engineer, if you know, you can deploy your system anywhere, and you can in any kind of style, and you can distribute data in exactly the specific solution based on your design. You are not required to follow the semi-constructed system to configure. You can program your system. You have sufficient flexibility, and meanwhile, you can do that quickly, so you can see the distinguished advantage of grid-free against most of existing techniques, right? Okay, I think until now, and this is the largest project we created. And then in the next step, I will show some new techniques of grid-free continually. We will create a more complex system in this class, and I hope my all these lectures can prove the nature, the distinguished nature, the unique natures of grid-free. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. I want to close this system, okay? Because this, I do not, this is crawler, right? The crawler can be started only after all the texts are deployed to or saved in the multicasting framework. So I do not want to wait. I have to use Ctrl+C to stop it. That's not good, but it doesn't matter, okay? So to finish this project, I just use administrator. Okay, stop the children. Okay, the children is stopped. Stop the root. Okay, the root should be stopped, right? Root is stopped. Then we still have one server need to be stopped. This is a registry server, stop. Okay, the client should be stopped. Okay, this is a successful demonstration of, okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, thank you so much for you watching this video. See you next time.